In the upper right corner of the lab are two boxes, inoculation and contamination. We call these the traffic signals. Each contains a light that is off until you begin a biochemical test. Once the caps and lids are removed, the lights turn yellow, indicating the tubes or plates are exposed to contamination. Leave them open too long, and the contamination light will turn red. The inoculation signal will turn green when you have successfully transferred growth from the inoculum tube on the left to the medium on the right. The contamination signal will turn green if you have completed the aseptic transfer without contamination. If it turns red, you either skipped a step in the aseptic transfer process, made a mistake in the process, or took too long in its completion. A successful aseptic transfer results in 2 green lights. Any other result, and you need to discard those tubes in the biohazardous waste container and begin again.